From a collection that represents modern India to a collection that is an ode to our Indian heritage and values. The next to take on the ramp was Shravan Kummar in association with Tefe tribe. Shravan Kummar's Ashtamangalayam collection illustrated his never-dying love for the arts, culture and the extravagant Indian heritage.
It's an ode to the weavers of Banaras, and I think the weavers of Banaras are immaculate with their work and the workmanship, and they are so beautiful with their work. I don't think so. Nothing can take away a Banarsi sari from any woman's wardrobe. So I think, please, ladies out there, wear a sari, save a weaver. That is what we say. That's a weaver's initiative.
The collection was inspired by the beautiful Banaras weaves and was an ode to the legendary weavers of Banaras with classic silver and gold threads. It displayed a colourful palette that was vintage and gave you reminiscence of the bygone era. The showstopper and sexy sandalwood actress Ragini Dwivedi made heads turn with her elegant orange-green lehenga, and it was complemented by the stunning jewellery which gave her the vintage Indian bridal look.
His complete collection just brings out so much femininity, so much culture, tradition, and he's supporting and doing such great causes, and I think it's really, really nice to be always associated with him and do some awesome stuff. I'm loving it.
First of all, I like to thank Times of India, the Times Group, to get a magnanimous thing like this to Bangalore. I'm sure they are going to make it much bigger and much better.